Sometimes we unconsciously store a lot of tension in the body, in different parts of the body like the neck, spine, shoulder, etc. The stress from daily life accumulates in these body parts, and we can actually feel the physical weight of tension, of stress in these body parts. Why does a vacation or even a small outing make you feel so rejuvenated? Because when we are doing the things we love, we are completely enjoying those things. We are completely immersed in those things. We are not thinking about the past, future, any negative thought. So there is no pressure on the brain. The mind is completely there, and the stress starts melting away. So the body feels light, the mind also feels light. So it's the lightness that rejuvenates you. Now imagine having this lightness throughout the day. This meditation helps in releasing the stress from the body so that the body feels lighter, the body feels relaxed, the mind also feels lighter and relaxed. And it might also help you to release the pain from the body. How? Now imagine that you're holding a plant like this, and the plant may be light, but if you hold it for a long period of time, it will create pain in the arm and the shoulder. You'll have to keep the plant away to get rid of the pain. So, stress creates heaviness in different parts of the body, and this heaviness creates pain. When we learn to let go of the heaviness, the pain also goes away. So, let's get started with this meditation. If you're sitting on a mat, you can sit cross legged. And if you're sitting on a chair, you can cross your feet at the ankles. So, the feet must be crossed. And the palms are on top of each other. The left palm is down and the right palm is up. The thumbs are joined. So, this is Dhyan Mudra, and you can put your palms on the thighs. Now relax your shoulders, soften the face, spine is long but relaxed, neck is also relaxed. Now you can close your eyes or keep them open, but I would recommend you to close your eyes. And start breathing into the body. Now starting to breathe inside the body. Inhaling to expand the belly. Exhaling to contract the belly. Inhaling to expand the belly. Exhaling to contract the belly. Every inhalation breath gives us the opportunity to invite breath inside us, to invite energy inside us, to invite abundance inside us. And every exhalation breath gives us the opportunity to relax, to settle down in this moment. Inhaling to expand, exhaling to relax. Inhaling to expand, exhaling to relax. With every breath that we take, along with oxygen, an energy enters inside. Take a nice breath in, trying to feel that energy. Exhale and relax. Take another deep breath in and feel that energy entering inside you. Exhale and relax. Feeling that energy of the breath filling you up, expanding you, making you more and more alert, active, And that exhalation breath, making you more and more relaxed. So with inhalation breath, we will invite the energy inside us. With exhalation breath, we will relax. We will let go of any tension in the body, any stiffness, by simply asking the body to unload itself. Inhale, energize. Exhale, relax. Let go. Inhale, energize. Exhale, relax. Let go. Now we'll do this with every body part, from the crown of the head to the tip of the toe. We will direct our energy to different body parts and we will relax these body parts as we exhale. Inhale energy to the crown of the head. Exhale, relax, let go. Let go from the crown of the head. Let go of any heaviness, any load, any tension. Once again, inhale energy to the crown of the head. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the back of the head. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the back of the head. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the face. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the face. Exhale, relax, let go. So with inhalation, filling that body part with energy, with breath, and with exhalation, completely releasing that body part, letting go of any tension, any heaviness. Inhale energy to the back of the neck. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the back of the neck. Exhale, relax, let go. It's often our neck and shoulders that accumulate the maximum stress, the maximum tension. That's why we often hear the phrase that the weight of the world is on our shoulders. In this moment, we are letting go of that weight. We are filling our shoulders, our neck with energy and letting go of all the tension, all the stress. Inhale energy to the shoulders. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the shoulders. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the arms. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the arms. Exhale, relax, let go. Trying to visualize that we are sending the energy to the body parts. The body parts are receiving the energy. And on exhalation, the body parts are letting go of the tension. The body is becoming more and more relaxed. Inhale energy to the spine. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the spine. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the heart. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the heart. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the abdomen. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the abdomen. Expand the belly with energy. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the lower back. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the lower back. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the buttocks. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the buttocks. Exhale, relax, let go. Feeling a blanket of relaxation, a blanket of lightness covering you from top to bottom as you relax the body parts, as you let go of the load, as you let go of the heaviness, and swimming in this pool of energy. Inhale energy to the thighs. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the thighs. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the calf. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the calf. Exhale, relax, let go. Might be a little difficult to direct energy towards the lower body. Simply pay attention to that body part. Inhale energy to the feet. Visualize the feet getting energized. Exhale, Relax, let go. Inhale energy to the feet. Exhale, relax, let go. Inhale energy to the whole body. Exhale, relax the whole body. One more time. Inhale energy to the whole body. Exhale, relax the whole body. Let go. Let go. Let go. Breathe in the energy. Expand with the energy. Visualize your most energetic self, your most energetic and your most relaxed self. And when you visualize that, pay attention to how do you look, what's your posture like, what's the expression on your face, how are you breathing, how does your body feel, how is your mental state. And as you go through your day, keep this visualization of your energetic and relaxed self with you. Bring your palms in Namaste, bow your head down. Surrendering to this body, expressing your thankfulness to your breath, expressing your gratitude towards this body, and if possible, letting go a bit more. Slowly lifting your head up, rubbing your palms, placing them on the eyes, massaging your face, around the eyes, along the cheekbones, the neck. And whenever you are ready, open your eyes.